This video is going to walk you through how to multiply whole numbers by fractions. Once you know the steps, set the problem up correctly, it's really quite simple. Let's look at 4 examples here. I have 3 examples where we will multiply a whole number by a proper fraction. And I have 1 example where we will multiply a whole number times an improper fraction. The process is the same for both. Example 1. What is 3 times 3/4? When you multiply a fraction times a fraction, you simply multiply numerators together, then multiply denominators together, and then reduce or simplify if needed. Multiplying a whole number times a fraction is the same thing. All you have to do is put your whole number over 1, which converts it into a fraction form, so you can multiply across. In this example, the whole number 3 can be changed to a fraction by placing it over 1. We can rewrite the problem to be 3 over 1 times 3 over 4. We multiply straight across and get 9 over 4. That answer is an improper fraction. If you need to convert it to a mixed number, you would divide 4 into 9, which goes 2 times, with a remainder of 1. The answer of 3 times 3/4 is equal to 2 1/4. Example 2. Multiply 10 times 2/5. First step is to put 10 over 1. We multiply straight across, and we get 10 times 2 is 20, and 1 times 5 is 5. 20 over 5 is an improper fraction, which can be changed or simplified as 5 goes into 20 a total of 4 times. So 10 times 2/5 is equal to 4. Another way to look at this problem is to go back to the way we had it originally set up. When we had 10 over 1 times 2 over 5, you can see that 5 goes into 10 a total of 2 times. We can cross out 5 and make it a 1, and cross out 10 and make it a 2, as 5 is a factor of 10. This cancellation, which only works when you have one denominator as a factor of a numerator, reduces the fraction for you first. 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 times 1 is 1. 4 over 1 is equal to 4. Pretty cool, huh? Example 3. Multiply 7 times 1/8. We rewrite the problem to be 7 over 1 times 1 over 8. 7 times 1 is 7, and 1 times 8 is 8. 7/8 is the answer. Example 4. Multiply 2 times 4/3. This example shows a whole number times an improper fraction. The process is exactly the same. We rewrite 2 to be 2 over 1 times 4/3. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. 8/3 is our answer, which can be changed to a mixed number by dividing 3 into 8. 3 goes into 8 2 times with 2 left over. That 2 goes over our denominator, and our answer is 2 2/3. Hopefully you can see now that multiplying whole numbers by fractions is very similar to multiplying fractions by fractions. All you have to do is convert the whole number into a fraction form and follow the same process. Let me know if you were able to follow along in the comments. Give it a thumbs up if it was helpful, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching.